Hello and welcome to the Great Race Competition. It's a beautiful day for racing and we have 8 very excited competitors. We have Streamlined Thomas, Mike, Timothy, Spencer, Sampson, Gordon, Percy and James. Let's have a look at the track. Both tracks start together, then smash through the bridge. The trains then pass each other on the bend and head back to the start, which is also the finish. Whoever crosses the line first will have their flag raised to show that they have won. But we've got Pepper and McQueen as judges just in case. Right, let's begin. First up, it's Mike versus Thomas. Thomas has started well. Mike's taken the inside track. But Thomas crosses the line first. His flag's raised, so Thomas goes through. Next up, it's Spencer versus Timothy.
Ready, go!
Timothy's getting ahead. But it looks like Spencer's caught up. And he's won! Spencer had a slow start, but he's gone through. You two haven't had much to do yet, have you, Pepper and McQueen? Next race is between Sampson and Gordon.
Ready, go!
Look at Sampson go! Gordon's going to lose! And he has! Sampson wins! Well done! And the last race of this round is between James and Percy.
Ready, go!
Ooh, this is close! Who's going to win? It's James! Unlucky Percy, but James goes through. So these are the trains that go through to the next round. Who do you think will win? The first race is between Spencer and Thomas.
Ready, go!
Well, it's close. Thomas is edging it. Can he keep it up? Yes, he can. Thomas wins. His flag's raised. Unlucky Spencer, but Thomas is through to the final. And the other race is between Sampson and James.
Ready, go!
Another close race. James is almost there, and he's done it. Yep, the flag is above James, so he's going through to the final too. You two still haven't had anything to do yet. An easy afternoon for you, I guess. It's time for the final. James versus Thomas. It's all down to this.
Ready, go!
And they're off. James is going on the inside, and Thomas on the outside. This is close. Who's going to win? Oh, it's James! Just! James's flag is raised, so he crossed the line first. Well done. James has won the Great Race Competition. Hi, I'm Dave, and thanks for watching my video. Here's another you may have missed.